Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Follow-up info on appointments after knee or hip replacement surgery. Follow-up appointments after joint replacement surgery typically occur at 2 to 3 weeks, 6 weeks, 3 months, and 1 year post-surgery. Initial follow-up focuses on incision healing, pain management, and physical therapy progress. X-rays are used at follow-up appointments to check the placement and functioning of the implant. Later follow-ups assess mobility, strength, and any signs of implant wear or loosening. Long-term follow-up schedules vary, but annual or biannual visits are common to monitor the joint replacement. Complications like infection, drainage, swelling, or deformity should be reported promptly to the surgeon. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.